Imagine a creature so tough, it can survive boiling, freezing, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. Meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. These microscopic animals achieve the impossible by entering a state called cryptobiosis, where they lose nearly all water from their bodies and suspend their metabolism. In this state, tardigrades can endure years without food or water and withstand extreme temperatures. When conditions improve, they rehydrate and spring back to life, as if nothing happened. Scientists are fascinated by their resilience, hoping to unlock secrets for medicine and space travel.